Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Harvest login issues, billing and access errors step by step clearly. To fix Harvest login issues related to billing and access errors, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and reliable connection. If your internet is working fine, move on to verifying your login credentials. Double-check your email address and password for any typos. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any stored data that might be causing issues. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and try logging in again. If the problem persists, try using a different browser or device. Sometimes, browser compatibility issues can interfere with the login process. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, ensure that you are entering the correct verification code. Check your mobile device or authentication app for the latest code. If you're still experiencing access issues, verify if your account is active and in good standing. Reach out to your billing department to confirm that there are no outstanding payments or account holds. If there are billing errors, resolve those first to regain access. In case none of these steps work, contact Harvest customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the issue you're encountering. Be ready to share any error messages you see during the login attempts. This information can help the support team diagnose and fix the problem more efficiently. Follow up with any additional troubleshooting steps they may recommend. Make sure to document any solutions that work for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.